All right, get in here, get in here, get in here. Everybody, this is the top. I love it. I want to make it. We got some scrap denim, and we started by cutting the pockets off of these janks. Cut them very close as possible, so that way you have no scragglies hanging off and falling off of your garment. You want this to be nice and crisp and look like it came out of a store and not out of a whore. Okay, so I just neatly cut them off. You need 4 pockets. You need 2 of them to be your bust holder, and you need the other 2 to be the flip down. So you only need half of it, but I'm going to show you how to do it in a minute. Now we're going to take the top of the pants and we're going to cut the entire top half of the pants. Most of the time, the top half of a pair of pants is the exact size of your bust area. So the same as your bra, you would want that to be the same size as this. And I thrifted these pants, so I only spent $7.99 for these. And you cut this really close as well, like so. That's what it looks like once you button it, okay? Okay. Now we're going to take the side of the pants and we're going to cut all the way down this side trim because we're going to use this as our bra straps, well, shirt straps. And you just neatly cut and you try to get as close as possible. As I said, using fabric scissors would be the best way to do this. I will have a needs list for everything that you need to make this in the description box. And if you like content like this, you know what to do. So here I am showing you how I layered the 2 pockets and how I put them on top of each other to see how I wanted them to go. Boom, that's how that's going to look. We went straight to the sewing machine. We got ourselves together, put that on top of there, and then I'm going to show you guys how you're going to stitch this down. So it's going to be a straight stitch right across there because that's not going to be showing anywho. Okay, a straight stitch like that. All right, then you're going to take your band and you're going to mark where you want these cups to go.
So
So this will be covering your
this has
boobs.
to be sewed
If you
down.
have bigger busts, you will need bigger pockets. This is where I placed mine,
Alright,
and then I sewed them
so we
down
put the
like
straps
so.
on. These are
Then you're
two
going to take and make
straps.
your straps with those
And
pieces
we
that we
just
cut
put
out.
them.
I really didn't show me putting these, but you measure them evenly. And then you place them on there. I ended up changing them from the sides to almost the middle of my garment. Then I needed extra support right there in that middle. It's going to be hard to put the shirt on and off, but this is how it looks all finished and all sewed together. It's pretty cute, I think. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it's cute. And if you guys try this, let me know. I would love to see. And this is it. Thank me later. Bye.